drawing is fine. Make sure it touches the bottom. Sorry, I don't know why it's flying. It's supposed to touch the bottom. I'll leave it for now. Okay. Orderly arrangement. Now, when I talk about the arrangement, I must cover both distance and orderliness. Very closely. Orderly. Distance and orderliness. Closely, disorderly. Far apart, disorderly. So for arrangement, I've talked about both distance and orderliness. For movement, vibrate about fixed position, slide past one another randomly, move randomly at high speed. Okay, then you can compare the force of attraction. Now, if I'm talking about whether this state can compress. Everybody can squeeze or not? Okay, can still squeeze, right? What's the space in between? So if I talk about compressibility, I talk about the space between. Also, gas can be compressed. All right. If I talk about fixed shape or not, I talk about the attraction, I talk about the movement. Fixed volume, I also talk about the distance and orderliness. Okay, a very common question would be, how come the temperature stays there? How come no change in temperature during a change in state? Any heat energy absorbed is used to overcome the force of attraction. Okay, so temperature increase, kinetic energy increase, particles increase, and the forces between will decrease. Okay. Now, if the question is very specific, describe what happens during melting. You can even add particles move from vibrating above fixed position, now slide past each other from an orderly to disorderly manner.